daring little squirrel. Hey, I think he saw us.
Because he's eating our pumpkins.
How dare you?
Whoops.
Look, he's attacking it again. He's attacking it.
Oh my gosh!
He's ripping off a piece.
Oh my god. I think. Yep.
He saw us.
Yep. He's back. He's back for more. I don't know.
Move it back a little bit. The camera.
The pumpkin's flashing. What? He was going for the other one.
Oh.
Yeah, he's eating it.
See if you can get him better from this.
No, I got him. I got him. I think.
He's eating? I don't know. It might look a little blurry.
Well, yeah. Okay. New. I know I am. I got it.
You can see him right in front.
I got it. Wait.
You can see him clearly. Here.
He's all wet. Yeah.
There he goes.
We've got you. Orange-handed.
Oh my
Yeah,
God,
bad
look
joke.
at him.
He's just devouring the pumpkins.
What a daring little fellow. You've been eating the pumpkins.
Mom.
Pumpkin snatcher.
Well, he didn't snatch him. He's just
Snatcher eater.
eating them while he has his food.
He does look cute.
Well, he's a squirrel. And he's all wet. Poor thing.
There he goes attacking it again. Oh, he left.
Oh,
Or no, he's just chilling.
yeah.
You gotta go back for more.
I know. What the? Oh,
He's fluffing up.
I know. What the?
He ate our pumpkins.
It's okay.
There you go.
They're gonna rot anyway. Hmm? It's so funny.
Isn't it funny how he grabs a piece and...
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can you see him good from here too?
No, I can see him best from here.
Okay.
Whoops, I keep hitting the window.
Okay.
We're like spying on him or something.
Oh. There he is, there he is. There he is.
Well, what? Has he had enough yet?
I guess not.
I don't know. I mean, because he was leaving.
Hey, he's checking
the mailbox.
Hey, that's a federal offense.
Mom. Okay,
I guess.
come back, come again.
Our first
Or not.
trigger.